Hey everyone, so in this video, we will be talking about Python 2 versus Python 3. In this course, we will be learning everything about Python 3 and today we will be discussing why we are giving preference to Python 3 over Python 2. So, in 2008, what happened was that the creator of Python 2, Guido van Rossum, thought there were too many limitations in Python 2 which he should fix and then he released a complete Python 3. But after releasing it, some more issues came in front, like Python 3 wasn't backward compatible, which means you cannot run Python 2 code in Python 3. Although there wasn't much difference in Python 2 and Python 3, but still it wasn't a backward compatible. Other than this, all the big companies had written their code in Python 2, and now to migrate to Python 3, there was a problem. One more issue came in front, like as you already know, Python 3 wasn't a backward compatible language. Therefore, the libraries in Python 2 were again written for Python 3. So around 2010, there weren't many libraries in Python 3. So what they decided was that they will be continuously improving Python 3 and will be releasing new libraries, and on the other hand will be maintaining Python 2 as well. But now it is 2021 and all the big companies that were using Python 2 have now shifted to Python 3. In today's world, Python 3 has all the libraries of Python 2 and its performance is also better than it. And one more important reason is that from 2020, they have stopped maintaining Python 2 and will not be releasing any new libraries. That's why we will be learning Python 3 over Python 2 in today's world. So this was all about today's video. In the next video, we will be learning how to integrate our Python, VS Code and Git patch together in a system. So thanks for watching this video. We will be meeting soon.